Move over s'mores and ice cream. Elevate your dessert game this summer without sacrificing flavor or sweet satisfaction. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. And today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to enjoy the perfect blend of sweet, tart, and indulgent flavors with a dessert that's delicious and mighty nutritious. Chocolate cherry parfaits. Starting with a small bowl, combine 1 cup of vanilla, non-fat Greek yogurt with 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Use a spatula to mix until these are smooth and well combined. Next, crush 6 sheets of graham crackers in a plastic bag until you have about a cup of crushed crackers. After that, set up a station with 3 small jars or parfait glasses. In each, add about a 1/4 cup of the graham cracker crumbs. Top these with 1 tablespoon of the yogurt mix and pitted and chopped fresh Northwest cherries. Cherries are a superfruit worth celebrating. Consuming sweet cherries can help prevent chronic inflammatory diseases, such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, arthritis, and cancer. Cycle through one more time and add any remaining crumbs, yogurt, and cherries on the top of the jars. Garnish the jars with 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips and a fresh whole cherry if desired. Feeling stressed? Can't get to sleep? Cherries can help. The presence of tryptophan, serotonin, and melatonin in sweet cherries can help boost mood, reduce stress, and achieve more restful sleep. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Your path to a healthier you starts at Hy-Vee. Let our team of registered dietitians help provide nutritional guidance and support tailored to your lifestyle.